Yo YouTube, what is going on? Hope you're having a great week. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in Subway Surfers. You can also get free keys as well, and this uses a simple redeem code guys. This is no Subway Surfers hack. This is just legit redeem codes that you can enter in-game, and you're going to get a bunch of free keys and free coins in Subway Surfers working in 2024. So just make sure you follow all of the instructions in this tutorial, guys, and you're going to get these redeem codes that are absolutely awesome. So you need to use a mobile, and this does work on iOS and Android devices, guys. All you need is a mobile phone with internet access, and you need to go to this website, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, very important you spell it correctly, so make sure you copy this down. And this is a coupon codes website. They have game codes on here. They have promo codes for some of your favorite shopping apps. They also have redeem codes. So you need to go to the search bar here and search for Subway Surfers, and it should just pop up like this: Subway Surfers free coins and keys, guys. So just navigate your way to this page. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a redeem code for 1 million free Subway Surfers coins, and you can also get 500 free keys. Now, these redeem codes are limited in number. So there is a process to unlock whatever code you want, but it does take about 5 minutes, which is well worth it in my opinion. So in this scenario, I'm going to click on this one at the top. So this is a 1 million free coins for Subway Surfers code. And as I mentioned, because of these limited codes, you need to unlock your personal code. And this is just a process that allows one code per person. So if this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you may need to verify you are not a robot. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this simply because I don't want to waste any of these codes. But you're going to see a new page, and if this is your first time, like I said, you will need to verify yourself, but that is completely free and it does only take a few minutes. Follow the instructions and complete a couple of these tasks. It'll be pretty obvious when you see the screen. Once you've done that and followed all of the instructions, this code will be fully unlocked, and you can enter it in game for, in this case, it would be 1 million free coins, but you can also get the free keys as well. So head on over to Robot Coupons, search for the Subway Surfers free coins and keys page, unlock your code, guys. Make sure you follow all of the instructions, and come back to this video, smash that like button if I helped you with this tutorial, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Drop a comment down below if you need any help, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.